Maybe you are on this video because of TubeBuddy. In this video we will discuss what is TubeBuddy and how you can get benefits from it. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please like and share this video because we need your support. Watch the video till end, so that you may have better understanding. Let's start the video. TubeBuddy is a service that enhances your ability to perform on YouTube. TubeBuddy is essentially a certified YouTube SEO tool and Chrome extension that connects directly to your YouTube dashboard. Once you install it on your browser, which is very easy, and log in, your YouTube dashboard becomes entirely upgraded with tons of new features. It's YouTube certified, so you know it's 100% safe and it's easy to install too. It helps regarding SEO of videos by following cool features. Number 1. Suggested tags. Number 2. Keyword Explorer. Number 3. SEO Studio. Number 4. Best time to publish. Number 5. Video A/B tests. TubeBuddy's in-depth analytics help you to grow your channel by understanding what works and what doesn't. The data allows you to focus on creating content that drives views and increases your earnings. The best features that can help you to grow are: Number 1. Retention Analyzer. Number 2. Health Report. Number 3. Competitor Scorecards. Number 4. Social Monitor. Number 5. Rank Trackings. TubeBuddy helps save your time by speeding up a lot of the manual actions you normally have to take on YouTube. Best features in this regards are: Number 1. Bulk metadata updates. Number 2. Canned responses. Number 3. Publish to Facebook. Number 4. Thumbnail generator. Number 5. Video topic planner. If you are looking for an insightful tool for your YouTube channel, then TubeBuddy must be your first choice. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.